What is a Cinquain poem? A cinquain is a poem that doesn't rhyme and has 5 lines arranged in a special way. Insect, small, round. Eating, searching, flying. Red with black spots, ladybug. Think of something you would like to write about. It should be a noun. Think of 2 adjectives to describe your noun. Think of 3 verbs that your noun does. Think of a 4-word phrase about your noun. Think of a synonym for your noun. Let's try one. A noun, puppy. 2 adjectives, adorable, fun. 3 verbs, licking, running, eating. A 4-word phrase, they make good pets. Synonym, dog. Let's try another one. Noun, ice cream. 2 adjectives, cold, delicious. 3 verbs, scooping, eating, dripping. 4-word phrase, cone with 3 scoops. Synonym, dessert. What will you write about? Your pet, sports, a holiday, a place, a toy, or something else.